Here's the water running again. And you can see it. And it's coming over here, and then it goes down here and into the basement. And there's a little more water coming out there. And there's a ton of water under these stairs. And basically, all the way along the back edge of the property, there's no gutters at all. The gutters are up here in the front. But it's hard to see. This building's about 80 feet long and water running off of it. Okay, so now it's still flooding us. Just a little river running through a building. Pretty easy to see in this light. And where that water goes to the outside, it's coming in at the fireplace. Can't see, but water's pretty deep in here. You can hear it. And it's running right out the door. And this is Tuesday. Still in July, but so they don't have any pipes draining the water. They got our basement draining their water. Now, this is the pipes. See, no water coming out. And they've hooked up 2 of them to 2 gutters. But like I said, gutters are only on the little front part, not the whole length of the back of the building. And you can see it's hooked here. There's another one hooked there. But they're not the solution because we're still being flooded. And right beyond this, there's no gutters on the building where it insets back that way. About 20 feet beyond me.